How's it going?
I've got a hang of it now, so go on.
Are you sure?
Yes, look, so we're on the roll.
We are going to drown. Okay, once we get halfway, my turn.
No.
Yes.
No.
Why?
Because you said you want to relax.
Yeah, I want to relax and also we get it back. Cody, island.
It's not my fault they put the island there, isn't it?
Cody, tree. Cody, tree. Tree.
Yeah, I'm doing
Tree.
it.
We're going to die.
Peter! You're distracting me.
I'm not distracting you. I'm pointing out the tree.
Right, let me fix these. Let me get out of the tree first and then I'll fix it. And there's a hold that. Ah!
Why are we stuck?
Peter, if you help me. Right, there you go.
You said you wanted to paddle, so...
You better help me put the oars back. Look, see, hold that, twist that for me.
Cody,
What?
hand it over.
No.
Hand it over, I throw him over.
Oh, then we're going to get back together, aren't we, Peter, huh? Explain that for me. Peter! Stop! Look, that keeps fucking slipping off, look. This boat hates me. Why did you give us a broken oar?
It's not broken. You just need to learn
Yeah, where's the
how to
button?
paddle.
Where's the button? Where's the switch for this? I can't go.
What? You mean a motor? Does this look like a motorboat? No! Now, turn.
Peter, you're making it a lot difficult.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Slip out again. Fuck. Saved us, Peter. You're welcome. And I'm trying to.
I never feared for my life, so how could I be saved? Was this your plan all along, to get me stuck in a boat with you on a pricks? Prickly things! It's scratchy!
Hang on, look, sort that out for me. The rubber bit. Otherwise
Okay, Cody, your turn to
No,
first.
Peter, no, because
Cause what?
look, if you help me put these oars back on.
If you... Look, give that.
You get
Give
one.
me that.
No, Peter, no, fuck off.
Give me that.
No.
Okay.
You're on the wrong